Hello, parents. Welcome back to the channel. If you are a parent, you know the heartbreak of seeing diaper rash. Your happy baby is suddenly crying, uncomfortable, and in pain. You want to fix it fast, right? Don't worry, you are not alone in this journey. Today, we are sharing safe, simple, and proven home care steps. First, let us talk about keeping the area completely dry. Moisture is the biggest reason diaper rash starts and spreads. Change diapers frequently, especially right after they get wet. Give your baby some diaper-free time every single day. Fresh air helps the sensitive skin heal much faster. Just lay down a soft towel and let them play freely. Second, clean the area gently without any harsh rubbing. Avoid wipes with heavy fragrances, alcohol, or synthetic chemicals. Warm water and a soft cotton cloth work best for cleaning. Pat the skin gently, never rub or scrub the sore spots. Third, apply a safe, gentle barrier cream after every change. Plain petroleum jelly or zinc oxide cream creates a protective shield. This shield keeps wetness away from the delicate, irritated skin. Make sure the skin is totally dry before applying any cream. Trapping moisture under cream can actually make the rash worse. Take a few extra moments to let the skin air dry completely. Fourth, check the fit of your baby's current diapers. Are the diapers wrapped too tight against their skin? Friction from tight diapers causes redness, irritation, and chafing. Choose soft, breathable diapers and leave a little room to breathe. Sometimes switching to a larger size gives instant relief. Also, consider trying unscented plant-based diaper options. Now, when should you call a trusted healthcare professional? If the rash gets worse, bleeds, or shows small blisters, seek help. If the rash spreads to other areas, consult your pediatrician. If your baby develops a fever, contact your doctor immediately. Home care is great, but expert medical advice always comes first. Never use strong medicated ointments without a prescription. Caring for a baby takes time, love, and continuous patience. You are doing an amazing job taking care of your little one. Please hit the subscribe button for more gentle parenting tips. Thank you for watching, and take very good care today.